down here at Terre Haute doing some two-seater rides. Mitchell Moles has been giving rides all day long, and Spridge said if Madeline showed up, he'd let me take her for a ride. So, where's Madeline? So you've driven a micro before?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever driven a sprint car?
No, obviously not. We're ready, bud.
All right.
You good?
I'm good. You good, Madeline?
Good? Yeah. Madeline? She's good.
Have fun, boys.
Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
Well, that was fun. What'd you think?
I could do this.
She says she could do this.
My dad doubted me. I could do this.
Yeah.
In my veins.
It is in her veins. She is a Heidenreich, and they are racers.
How do you spell it?
Not funny. I don't spell well, in case you didn't know. I'm telling you. Hey, thank you so much for clicking on the channel. That was pretty fun, giving Madeline a ride. I didn't expect to do that. Came down here to shoot some stuff, and yeah, turned the cameras on. You could find this two-seater at Putnamville on your local Saturday night show. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm out.